Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you a face mask review from Wow Skin Science. Watch on for more details. Wow Skin Science Activated Charcoal Face Mask. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how is the packaging. Wow Activated Charcoal Face Mask comes in a huge black colored plastic tub with a screw-on cap. Black color signifies that activated charcoal powder is the key ingredient of this mask. It has a plastic circular lid to protect the product from leakage. Therefore, Wow Activated Charcoal Face Mask has a trouble-friendly packaging. It is clearly mentioned on the front side of the tub that this mask doesn't contain parabens and mineral oil. So Wow Activated Charcoal Face Mask helps to trap pollutants, keeps the pores unclogged, prevents blackheads and acne. It is due to the presence of activated charcoal powder. In addition, this charcoal powder also helps to balance skin oils and removes dead skin cells. On the other hand, licorice extract, which is also known as muletti, helps in lightening skin complexion. Wow Activated Charcoal Face Mask definitely helps in detoxifying and purifying the skin because charcoal powder attracts all pollutants, dirt particles, grime, sweat and removes it from the skin. Another good point is that it instantly brightens your skin complexion because it contains licorice extracts. Since it is a clay mask, so it is suitable for acne prone skin, though a patch test is always recommended. And the mask removes all the dirt, pollutants and grime, helps in removing suntan, 100% vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, easy to apply, adds instant glow, contains activated charcoal powder, good for all skin types like dry, normal, combination or oily. But this product is amazingly works on oily skin. If you have oily skin people, this product is perfect for you. And the product consistency is soft, creamy consistency. And the product fragrance is very refreshing but a little bit strong. So now I'm saying that how to use this product. Cleanse your face before applying the mask. Applying the mask evenly over your face, including your forehead, cheeks, nose and chin, avoiding your eye area. Let the mask dry on your skin for 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Then gently dry your face, then apply a good quality moisturizer. So yeah, this is the video. I hope this video is helpful to all. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends.